5 Best Espresso Machines. Number 5. The DeLonghi ASM3300. Use convenient pods or ground coffee. The patented dual-function filter holder. It makes espresso preparation simple and fast. Easily prepares latte and cappuccino. 15 bar pump pressure. Eliminate annoying startup preparation. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. The Gaggia 14101 Classic. Perfect for both espresso beginners. Pungarella wand frothing. Wand doubles as a hot water dispenser. Hassle-free 1-year warranty. Item weight, 20 pounds. Features a removable 72 ounces water reservoir. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. The DeLonghi ASM3300. Push-button control panel. Programmable menu settings. Beans container capacity is 8.8 ounces. Best grinder performance. Professional quality. Grinds beans instantly with the patented. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker. Semi-automatic 3-in-1 espresso maker. Trouble-free automatic milk frother removes. 15 bar pump system brews rich tasting espresso coffee. One-touch control panel for drink selections. Removable water and milk reservoirs. Simply pick a single or double shot filter. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. The Breville ASM3300 1600W thermocoil heating system. Stainless steel conical burr grinder. Automatically adjusts water temperature. Removable water tank with handle. Item weight, 23 pounds. Freshness can be measured in seconds. Please check the description for detail and price.